This will be part of my Bougie Nails on a Budget series. Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? Welcome to anyone new. I am so glad you decided to spend your time with us and I hope you enjoy today's video. This was a request from my nail sis, Renee. Y'all know Renee, Love Chunk 71? Which, by the way, it seems many of you on this channel seem to have become familiar with each other. That is so very cool. So, she requested black, which I've already started. And today's Bougie Nails on a Budget will feature black lace nail foil. And I'm just going to put this out there real quick. Before I started this set, I kind of predicted a couple of things. First, I'll say I'm not using UV LED glue. I chose to use the XKJ Star Glue. I thought to use the Macart, but decided to stick with the on a budget theme. So I pretty much figured the lace would possibly not take entirely. But you know what? It still did pretty well. My other thought before I started was, depending on the outcome, it could always be played like torn stockings. Because this is an adult set. It's sexy. It's for the grown folk. The other thing is my left thumb, if you notice, is giving me problems again. So aggravating. Remember I told you it keeps coming back? Yeah, it did this time. And there's a crack in it almost across to the middle of the finger. So I'm not going to be putting the finished set on that hand today. But I'm sure you'll like the look even while it's on the stand. There is definitely a noticeable difference working with the two types of glue. Having used the Star Glue in the past and then today, I can pretty much confirm it takes more to work the foil. But also, remember this, no matter what glue you work with, the trouble area is always at the top cuticle zone because of the curvature. Oh, and I almost forgot. Having this cover over my thumb wasn't helping either. The nail tip kept getting away from me. It didn't turn out too bad, so I decided to leave it be. The only other thing I would have considered would have been to outline more detail around the areas that didn't take to make it look like a more realistic tear. But I personally think this set still looks so awesome. Black is my favorite color, and this set looks so sophisticated. There are many other designs in my Bougie Nails on a Budget series, so in case you're interested in checking it out, I'll have a link for the playlist at the end of this video. I know your time is very valuable, and I thank you for choosing to spend it here. You can also subscribe to my channel to join this NailTube family, and when you do, when you click the Nailification bell, you officially become part of the Nailification Squad and will always know anytime I upload. I look so forward to seeing you next time. Much love.